Okay, so today I'll be building the K6ARK end-fed half-wave antenna using the kit that he sells on Amazon for $20. This kit includes everything, so a sticker, some magnet wire, some short antenna wire, I believe that's 26 gauge, some shrink wrap tubing, some more shrink wrap tubing, or actually I believe this is for a, let me see, what did he name it here? Whatever, I forgot what this was named. Some more shrink wrap tubing, and then the BNC connector, an actual toroid, another toroid. So I opted in for the 20 watt variant, which I believe is $23. A little tiny capacitor, and then a custom PCB. So I don't know if you can, so this thing is tiny. So for this project, what I'm gonna need is a soldering iron. I have just a multi-tool, and then because I'm blind, I have a magnifying glass with a little bit of light. I did try this before. I screwed it up. I'm not very good at soldering, so practice makes perfect. Let's go from there. Oh, I also bought the little winder. It's perfect because it will go and snap in place perfectly. And the kit does not come with wire, so I went and I bought some 26 gauge wire. Very light, very kind of thin, stringy might be the word for it. All right, let's get started.